If you don't know how to use stickers, watch this video. Method 1. First, cut out a square and use it as a template. Next, trace 3 square borders along this template on your page. Then use a craft knife to cut away the blank area on the right side. Repeat the above steps on the second page. Again, cut away the blank right section. Do the same for the third page. Take out your Necco stickers, stick them to fill each border one by one, and peel off the excess parts. On the back of the journal pages, use a marker to draw the same borders as the front. Then fill these back borders with Necco stickers too. Take out the Pixel Dash Slim washi tape and stick it along the left edge of the journal. Decorate the top left corner with text tape. Draw 3 lines along the slim tape with a marker. On the back of the first page, draw a border, then stick slim tape along the top and bottom edges of this border. On the back of the second page, use a marker to draw several diagonal parallel lines. Finally, decorate the area around the lines with small elements and text tape. Method 2. Use a pen and ruler to draw 4 overlapping borders in the middle of the page. Then, use a craft knife to cut away the blank area on the right side. Do the same on the second page. Draw a few overlapping borders and cut away the blank right section. Take out your favorite flower tape and stick it to fill the overlapping borders. Decorate the left side of the journal with character tape and text tape. Finally, use a marker to add details to the blank space in the middle. Which one do you prefer?